I would never fall
Your ex-boyfriend is outside.
until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but